In this module, I will be talking about talk as performance. Talk as performance tend to be in the form of a monologue rather than dialogue. It has often recognizable format of, for example, a speech of welcome, and it is closer to written discourse than a spoken discourse. Examples of talk as performance are somewhat giving a lecture, class report about the student's trip in the classroom, conducting a class debate, making a cell presentation, or giving a lecture, and so on and so forth. The main features of talk as performance are a focus on both message and audience. It has a predictable organization and sequence. Its importance has on both form and accuracy. Language is more written in the form of monologue rather than dialogue, and it is often monologic rather than dialogic. Some of the skills involved in using talk as performance are using an appropriate format, presenting information in an appropriate sequence, maintaining audience engagement, using correct pronunciation and grammar, creating an effect on audience, using appropriate vocabulary, using an appropriate opening and closing. Talk as performance is the way of life in societies, and particularly in schools and universities, and also in all walks of life. So, examples of all walks of life bringing into the classroom are very necessary step that we should make sort of an authentic atmosphere for students in the classroom. Whenever we're teaching talk as performance, it is important to bring everyday life experiences into the classroom by teaching students with sort of presenting information with the accuracy of pronunciation and grammar. And therefore, it would make students to become more confident when they are fully stuffed with the informations of their performance and they perform confidently in the classrooms.